In this video, I will show you how to connect Steam to PS5. So in this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you what you need to know about connecting your Steam account with your PS5 and how to set up the connection for supported games and features. Whether you're trying to link your Steam account to PlayStation, connect your gaming accounts, or access cross-platform features, this guide will walk you through the process and explain what you need to do. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Steam tutorials, PS5 guides, gaming tips, and easy tech tutorials. Now here we are. As you can see, I'm currently on Steam and I'm logged in. In order to connect this to PS5, you first of all want to visit the game publisher's website. So for example, if you're playing something like Battlefield and you want to connect that with your Steam and PS5 account, you would come across to the Electronic Arts website, or if it's something like Fortnite, you would come across to Epic Games, and you just basically want to come across to the game publisher's website. Now if you haven't already, you want to create an account for that game publisher. So I'll be using Epic Games as an example, and once you've done that and you're logged in, you want to come and click onto your profile icon at the top. From here, you want to come and click onto accounts, or it might say settings, something like that. And once you're in your account settings, what you want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side and look for an option called linked accounts, or again it might say something different like connections or connected accounts. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now from here, what you want to do is first of all connect and link your Steam account. So in this case, you can see my linked accounts down here. I've already linked my Steam account. Once you've done that, you also want to link your PlayStation account. So it's going to say like PS Network, PSN, or something like that. And once you've connected the two accounts, effectively what that's going to do is connect your Steam account to your PS5 account. Again, this all varies on the publisher and if the option is available, but in order to do this, you need to do it through the actual game publisher's website rather than Steam itself. So that is how to connect Steam to PS5. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Steam and PS5 tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.